Let's see how ChatGPT can help me write a lesson plan. So I'm going to ask it, please write a lesson plan for a graduate level introductory school psychology course with 7 modules. And let's see what that gives us. So I'm going to pause right here and recognize that ChatGPT identifies as a language model and doesn't have expertise about this particular course, the curriculum, the teaching style, and I didn't specify a textbook or a list of journal articles. That probably would have helped it to have more confidence generating this. And I'm going to unpause and we're going to speed up the process to watch it generate this content. And it's going to create an outline for my course, module by module. And so to be fair, I didn't really ask it to do a lesson plan. I asked it to structure an entire course with 7 modules. And it essentially uses its knowledge of school psychology courses, intro courses that exist on the internet to create a module listing with basic topics and overviews for a 7-module course. So this gives me a start, and then next step, what I would do with ChatGPT is go into one of these modules and create an outline for maybe lecture notes and maybe presentation topics and further elaborate module by module, and I think ChatGPT could help me with that. So for example, if I were to say, let's elaborate on module 7 in particular, then it's going to have a list of outcomes and possible activities that I can engage with the students, such as readings and case studies and discussions and reflections. And then it's going to propose some assessments. And I'm not going to right now, but I could go dive even deeper and look at each one of those assessments and have ChatGPT write out an assessment. So what would a case study analysis look like? What would be the criterion? And I can even go and have ChatGPT create a rubric for that assessment. And so this is just a high-level overview, but you can dive deeper into each one of these components as you work through the processes of curriculum development and course design.